Hey, thought I'd do another quick vid about the 1964 Epiphone Pacemaker. It's a 10-watt amp. It's got 5 tubes in it. They are oddballs. None of them are your common tubes. Yet it sounds beautiful. I love this amp. It's got a Kendrick speaker in it called a Black Frame. It's a 10-inch Kendrick. Other than that, it's only had the filter caps changed, and like I said earlier, I did do a high cut to this amp at the front end just to take some of the shrillness out of it. When I had the last video I shot, it had a tone control hooked up with the switch pot. I couldn't tell it was a tone control because it was so dirty. It was just doing really oddball stuff. So till I opened it up, I didn't know what it was doing. But let's go completely clean on this thing. And I'll turn the amp to 12 o'clock, the volume to 12 o'clock. Once again, this is nothing but an on-off switch for this amp. 10 watts, Kendrick Black Frame speaker. And the cats are ready to be fed over there, but that's cool. They'll wait for me for a minute. But listen to this clean tone with this Telecaster with a noise less Fender Gen 4. Noiseless Gen 4, I should say. So it's a great clean tone with some nice drive to it. Turn my reverb off. I have a reverb pedal on going in it. Now once again, this is just an Esquire, so I just got the one pickup going right now. I think this amp sounds best with single coils and noiseless single coils. Oh, Jesus. It's how great the tone balance is on that. Once again, reverb. You'll start overdriving in a real nice way as you go up. Volume knob cleanup on it. Now, does it take pedals? It takes pedals pretty darn good. I'm gonna turn the volume down because I don't know. It's 10 watts, but it's pretty loud. It's certainly giggable in my opinion, and I'll find out tonight in practice. So I'm gonna throw my cushy cush into it, one channel. It's just acting as a boost currently. There it is with it off. Back on. Here's a darker, little more gain cushy cush. So I've got 2 different flavors in each of those cush. And then I've got my meal gravy out front. And I was playing with these and stacked, and I just really loved the sound of it. Even at, there you go, really nice bedroom volume when it's down at 4. one side of my cushy cush, so a cush pedal on, which I've got knocking the highs down a bit there. There they are, a little higher. So it's the speaker holds up together. Kick the gain pedals off. So, oh man, it's got some volume to it, even down like that. But boy, I would sure pick one up. It's the Epiphone Pacemaker. It's got a Kendrick black frame speaker, which is supposed to be a clone of a Jensen. So not something that's difficult to get a hold of. I think you can make it work with any speaker. Very slight mod I did to it to knock the highs down a little bit and make it more friendly with single coils. And that's it. And I guarantee you could go out and gig it. I know I can. I'll try it tonight. I'll let you know how it goes. Maybe I'll shoot some video from that. And we'll see how it goes there. I know it's going to be fine. The bass tone's so good. It seems very robust. There's no transformer hum anymore at all. It's very quiet. Takes pedals great. Boy, I'll take that one volume knob and just a great tone, and then throw pedals in front of it, and I'm happy. So I hope that was helpful for you. I'll update you. Have a good one.